some twisties coming up here anyway. This bloody bike cam pisses me off, man. It takes forever to fire up. I want to put a normal GoPro there because the little session, it's a great little camera, like don't get me wrong, it's awesome little camera. It doesn't activate like instantly like the GoPro, the Hero 3, it records. And I want a camera that, I just have two cameras, they record all the time when I'm out, so they get everything that happens and I just chop and edit from there. You know, that's the way I sort of want to roll with it. With the session camera, it just takes a while, and even converting the footage, like if I do a few twisty sections or something along those lines and it's recorded it upside down, it takes like fucking 2-3 hours sometimes to get some of that footage rotated and flipped back, man. It's annoying as all shit. Either do I, man. I don't remember any of this. See, that was a prime example of peripheral vision, man. While I was coming through that corner, I realised there was a grate there at the last minute. So I just picked the bike up and diverted it around. And that is a prime example of peripheral vision kicking in. I was looking past that, I was looking at the car, but my peripheral vision picked that up. I'm like, hey, there's something not quite right there. Looked down, split second, corrected myself, kept going. The wind and crosswind, I don't even know if you guys can hear it, but it's fucking strong. Like, it is really strong. It cops the bike from left and right, and it also cops your head on, so it's weird. You don't know what the bike's going to do. Normally when they have these rumble strips, it's alerting you of something. There's a sign back there, help for injured wildlife. I tell you what, I think that was more than injured, it smelled dead. Horsey, horsey, horsey. That's a bit sketch to take that, man. The speed you'd be doing to get them. And coming to a fucking hill like this, blind corner. That's not a good fucking recipe. Leaves on the road. So that's everything you got to factor in when you're on the bike. Like, yeah, you got the power. But the power's not the issue. It's everything else that factors into it. You know, you've got to then wash off that speed after you pass them. You don't want to be coming in too hot on a road like this that you don't know. It's double block. Man, there's fucking another dead thing around here.